Career Services offers you resources and tools to help you to make the transition from education to employment. And so what we have for you guys are workshops that are coming up or leading up to the career fair. Miss Claire Brown, who's housed at the West Loop campus as well, she will be providing a workshop February the 14th, dealing with successful job fair and networking strategies. So it's important that you attend that as well, because you have ample opportunity to network. And even before you make the workshop, you want to know how to present yourself well. So Ms. Lyons will be giving a workshop again on February the 16th entitled Ace the Interview and Land Your Dream Job. And these are just a few of the workshops that will be available to our students and alumni. And we want you to take full advantage of those opportunities. This is so very important. So now we want to show you through these workshops how to prepare. And preparing for the career fair gives you an opportunity to better clarify what your goals are. Now, you know, here at HCC, if you have not taken a career assessment test, we ask you to do that first, even before you apply for your classes or select your major. So once you understand what your real goal is, you can better be prepared to put together your resume, and you're better prepared to meet the employers. As I said before, we can't say it enough, always research the employers. They love to meet someone that has done their homework and shows an interest in their company and their products, where they are in the industry. This is a person that they believe may eventually become an ambassador for their company, because they have developed a passion for the company and its products or services. Always have a list of questions. Go beyond the basic questions. When you're done meeting with them and you've asked them the basic questions and they've asked you their questions, you want to leave the meeting asking some essential questions like these. What kind of person you would ask the company representative? What kind of person are you seeking for these positions? Another question you may want to ask him before you walk away is what particular skills do you value most? And you let them know, I'm really interested in what you find interesting about the company. And they love hearing that you want to hear their perspective. And finally, because you would be a new hire or probably coming in at an entry level position, you may want to ask, what are current issues that your organization is facing that would have an impact on a new hire? But as we said before, and some of these workshops that we're offering you, we want you to be prepared. And so being prepared means that you will approach them with a sense of confidence. Be dressed for success. You'll give them your card or your resume and let them know that you have a genuine interest. You have pen and paper, you have your portfolio, and that's what these workshops will help you to do. If you would like more details, more information, please go to the HCC website, hccs.edu, and go down to the career services link, and it'll lead you right to the Career Hub. And that's where you'll find the various workshops that you may choose to attend. If your schedule will allow you to, I want to encourage you to attend as many as possible. That'll get you ahead of the curve. That'll make you a little bit more prepared than the others that will be attending. And so remember, always start with the end in mind. Thank you so much. Have a great one.